So, what's up mga guys? Nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong video kung saan maglalaro tayo ng ML rank game gamit si Yin. Okay, mukhang maganda itong team na to ah. May nag-a-adjust na teammates. Okay, no? Gold lane dapat to si Alpha. Huwag na nga lang. Okay. Wow, oy. Grabe ah, locker yung kalaban ko. Tsaka naka lightborn skin pa. Nako, patay na to. Hindi, kakayanin. May zilong. Leslie. Okay din naman. Sige, kakayanin. Let's go.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Right, naglalag agad.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. All match them deployed.
Grabe, naglalag agad.
Launch attack!
With dignity.
Uy, ba't mid to lahat? Ano ba to, 4-man? Ako lang isa. Ha? Teka, yung dalawang turret natin, mga boy.
At any rate, I will never yield.
Grabe. Nagsiselebrate na itong mga kalaban kasi wala silang, ano.
Wait, are they trying to kill me? I thought this was just a game.
Teka, protect niya ako. Ika-attack kay Zilong. Gaga. Ay, ba't kinukuha niya yung Little Wanderer ko?
Leah is not my ally. He's pure
Sa akin
malice.
lang yan.
Launch attack! Understood.
Okay. Hoy. TP mo sa akin yan. Teka.
I don't bend or break.
Ante, masakit to, ante. Oy, ano yan?
Lose, then stop fighting.
Wow, sakit mo, Leslie, ah.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Gago yung...
First blood. Ally has been slain.
Baday ng laro.
Our turret is under
Ini-end na ni Zilong eh.
Nobody gets to decide who I am.
Grabe naman tong kopal na to. Ini-end niya.
request backup.
First kill, easy.
Slain an enemy.
Ah. Defend nyo yung kalaban, pushers. Gago.
What's this man? Some special local food?
Pinupush ng kalaban eh. Hindi kayo nagpupush. Ayan, iinahan lang. Nag-i-invade pang gago.
Just wondering what season it is in the valley now.
You have slain an enemy.
Aray.
Under attack.
Losing? Me? Not likely.
Huwag niya napatulan yan. Gago yan.
Attack.
Easy.
Spree. Initiate
I will
retreat.
protect the good people around me.
Initiate retreat.
Teka. Nagta-turtle to.
Getting exciting. What do I do now?
Alam ko to. Nagta-turtle to. Yung Alucard nila nagta-turtle. Alam ko. Alam ko yung galawan niya, boy. Boy, nagta-turtle.
No kidding.
Ayos, wala.
Scare myself when I
Launch attack.
Tangina, early ako nag-retribution.
He's pure malice.
Bang, rapata, pa. Oy, teka. Patay ka na, dol.
Our turret is under attack.
Losing?
Double kill.
Not likely.
Launch attack. Killing spree. Launch attack.
I'd rather lose than stop fighting.
Palaban, gago.
Our turret is under
I
attack.
don't bend or break.
Launch attack.
Teka.
Our turret has been mega kill.
Okay na. Pinupush nila eh. Tain na tong mga gagong
No
to.
kidding. I even scare
Launch
myself.
attack. Monster kill. The team destroyed a turret.
Teka.
At any rate, I will never yield.
Easy. Huwag kayo sa yin ko. Galing na yin ko eh.
What's this bear? Some special local food?
Shut down.
Wait, are they trying to kill me? I thought this was just a game.
Launch attack.
Just wondering what season it is in the valley now.
Teka, naglalag.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Gago niyo eh. Hindi kayo nagkukuhan. Gago.
What do I do now? Beat 'em all?
An ally. Launch attack. Ally has been slain. Launch attack. Inhibitor turret is under attack. Double kill.
Grabe to, tol.
Win or lose, I do it with dignity.
Launch attack.
Tangina ang... Grabe to.
Nobody gets to decide who I am.
Launch attack.
Grabe tong kupal to.
Been destroyed.
My turn now.
Enemy has been slain.
Bang.
Victory.
Down.
Patay kayo dyan. Wala kayo sa yin ko. Kahit dito Skinner, boy. Kahit Skinner, namamatay.
Just wondering what season it is in the valley now.
Sabi ko push first eh. Hindi kayo nagtukon. Hindi kayo nag-ano. Push first.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Okay, namatay
Nobody
nga
gets to
pala
decide
tayo.
who I am.
Namatay pa tayo. Sino nag-invade?
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack. Your turret is under attack.
Naglalag, pre, naglalag.
Launch attack.
I don't bend or break.
Initiate retreat. You have slain an enemy.
Takbo!
Launch attack.
Teka, tulong! Tulong eh, hindi kayo tumutulong. Kita kayo oh. Dede, kaya pa to, kaya pa. Patayin nyo. Nice.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Lord.
Team destroyed a turret.
Kaya pa to, mag-lord lang kayo.
Double kill.
Okay lang to, makakaya pa to. Basta magla-lord lang.
What's to spare? Some special
Launch
local food?
attack.
Sayang may nag-interrupt kasi kanina eh.
Launch attack. Enemy rampage. Request backup.
Hindi ko to kakayanin mag-isa.
Killing spree. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. An ally has slain Lord.
Me?
Down. Double kill. You have been slain.
Teka, sorry.
Control.
Mega kill.
Sorry. Nagpapadala lang si Motion.
Initiate retreat.
Kaya anong prank ko to? Ayos.
Initiate retreat.
Samahan niya yung Lord. Wala, hindi sinamahan. Anong klaseng kakampit?
Attack.
Kainis naman oh. Ayan, i-defeat na kalaban. Wala na. Dede, kaya pa to.
Launch attack.
Teka, naglalag na naman.
Stop fighting.
Double kill.
Ha,
An enemy has been slain.
grabe tol, naglalag na naman tol.
An enemy has been slain.
Leah is not my ally. He's pure
An
malice.
enemy has been slain.
Hindi makakaya pa to. Babasagin ng tore. Ayos.
Team
Kahit naglalag, ayos pa. Ayos pa rin.
launch attack.
Teka.
Team destroyed a turret.
GG na pre. Pre, GG na. Ayoko na, magsisit down na lang tayo dito.
Your team
GG na.
destroyed a turret.
Ayos, GG na. Kahit lag, okay lang. Yun o. Naglalag talaga yung game. Kahit ano, namamatay tayo. Yun pa din yan.
Victory.
Wala kayo sa ko. 4 minutes lang. Ay, hindi pala. Kala ko 4 minutes lang. Hindi tayo naka-MVP ah. So, ayan, Grandmaster nga pala tayo kasi nag-grind ako. Hindi ko ma-record yun. Tignan nyo, oh. 7 win streak in rank. Ito yung magaling. Totoong magaling. Joke. Hindi ko pa nakakalaban yung mga Yin Masters niya. Kaya yun. Magaling. Gagi kasi, bakit pa nag-execute? Naglalag. Tiger pa yung nanalo. Sayang. Pati yung core nila, tignan nyo. Isa lang yung patay. Naka-lightborn skin pa yan. Anong klase yan? So, ayun mga guys. Win na naman tayo sa rank match. Ayun. Ayos. So, yun lang. Mr. Talatala out.